An upcoming Supreme Court decision on transgender medical treatment for minors in Tennessee could have some sweeping impacts nationwide.
National correspondent Kayla Gaskins takes a closer look at the case and explains why puberty blockers are at the center of the debate.
Transgender rights advocates making their way to Washington this week for the latest culture war battle. On Wednesday, the Supreme Court will hear arguments in the first ever case addressing the constitutionality of bans on medical treatments for transgender minors. At the center, a Tennessee law banning puberty blockers, hormone therapy, and surgery as treatment for trans kids.
It directly ignores the rights of parents to make informed medical decisions about their child.
The ACLU calling this law unconstitutional, saying it violates the 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause by discriminating on the basis of sex. Under the law, doctors can give minors the same treatment for other health reasons, just not gender dysphoria.
It's child abuse. To me, at the age of 10 or 11 years old, I'm not sure they really know what they want to do.
24 states currently restrict puberty blockers, hormone therapy, and surgery for transgender minors. The ruling in this case will impact the constitutionality of those laws as well. This case comes amid increasing pushback to transgender rights. Donald Trump making the debate a central part of his successful presidential campaign.
On day one, I will revoke Joe Biden's cruel policies on so-called gender-affirming care. Ridiculous. A process that includes giving kids puberty blockers, mutating their physical appearance, and ultimately performing surgery on minor children.
The president-elect promising to roll out a number of policies upon resuming office, including asking Congress to pass a federal law prohibiting transgender treatment for minors in all 50 states, and a declaration that any hospital or healthcare provider who gives such care will be terminated from Medicare and Medicaid for not meeting federal health and safety standards.
Conservatives hold a 6-3 majority on the Supreme Court. 3 of those justices appointed by Trump during his first term, indicating it could be an uphill battle for trans activists. In Washington, I'm Kayla Gaskins.
Now we want to know what you are thinking at home. Grab your phone, scan the QR code on your screen, take part in our poll here today. Do you support a ban on transgender medical treatments for minors? You can scan the QR code there to weigh in.